Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I have a 1988 Chevy K1500 four-wheel drive. This truck is super cool because it is as base can get. Super plain. It's got a 4.3 V6, runs very good, 4-speed, roll-up windows, plastic floor, and an AM radio. This truck has never even had a hitch put on it or a hitch ball. The paint on it is very, very faded and peeling. Typical GM from the 80s. Nice clean shape underneath. Very clean, rust-free. Very clean inside the bed. I don't even think he slid anything across the tailgate. There's no dings, no dents. Just faded, peeling paint. Tires are extremely dry rotted because the truck's been sitting for a while. So if you end up picking this one up, you're going to need to do general maintenance, such as changing out the oil filter, flushing out some fluids. Needs a seat cover. It's got 136,000 miles on it. AM radio, 4-speed, 4-wheel drive, plain and simple with a lever on the floor. Works good. .3 V6 sounds good for having very, very old gas in it. A lot of cracks in the tires. It's never even had a ball put on the original bumper. A lot of faded paint on the roof. So if you're looking for a nice plain Jane project truck, this may be it. You don't see the plain ones very often. This one's in pretty nice shape. Just needs a little bit of TLC here and there. Very nice down the sides of the truck. All right, there it is. 88 four-wheel drive V6 4-speed. No, we do not take trades. No, we do not finance. If you show up with a trailer, we can start it up and you can drive it on your trailer. No, you can't test drive it or drive it home. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.